up, guys? Welcome back. Digital Slang back with another video, and the holiday season is still here. New Year's is right around the corner, and I just wanted to end the year on a good note. So we are going to do another giveaway. We are talking the TriBit QuietPlus. I have a pair right here on the desk that I'm going to talk about, and we're going to do the review and the unboxing. And this pair here in the corner we're going to give away. Thank you to TriBit for sending these over, one for a review, one for a giveaway. Even though they did send these to me, I will give you guys my honest opinion, whether I think they're good or whether I think they're trash. Now, these were just released, I believe, December 16th. So these are very new to the market, and we'll check them out. We'll go through all of this testing, we'll check out the specs, and we'll do the unboxing. So let's just get into it. If we take a look at the packaging, the TriBit QuietPlus active noise canceling wireless headphones, a picture of them. This is the black colorway, and I believe it right now it is the only colorway that it does come in. And on the side of the box, we do have a couple QR codes we can scan that'll take you to their Facebook site and their website. And on the other side, it just tells us a little bit. Long battery life, foldable. They are foldable, and it will come with a carrying case as well. Hybrid noise canceling and superior sound. It does have the Qualcomm aptX codec, so we are going to get pretty good sound out of these. On the back, a little bit more about the specs. Bluetooth 5.0, of course. It is USB Type-C as well. Charging time, 3 hours to fully charge these, but once they are fully charged, you're going to get 30 hours of playtime, so really good battery life as well. Let's just open it up, and we'll start the testing. Take a look at them. So the TriBit QuietPlus, another pair of true ANC wireless headphones. So nothing else in the box. Everything is already in the case, and it is a hard shell. We'll open it up. We'll take a look. Here are the headphones themselves. Very lightweight. I do like that. They're not going to feel heavy on my head. They're not going to give me that fatigue, but we'll test that out just to double check. Inside of here, we do have, what's in here? We got a 3.5 millimeter audio jack, and we also have the USB Type-C for charging, and you can keep that in the case. And we also have the user's manual, but we'll just put this stuff to the side for now. So if we take a look at the TriBit QuietPlus, you can see their logos here on each side. On the bottom, you're going to have your USB Type-C for charging. This will be for your 3.5 millimeter audio cable. And if you have a headphone jack on your phone still, that will come in very handy if you need it. And this button right here, this switch, this will control your noise cancellation. So just remember, if you forget to turn that off, it will drain your battery a lot faster. And this is your power button and your volume up and your volume down. But we'll test all that out. And look at this here on top. Very thick padding on the top here, and it's going to make this very comfortable on the head. You're not going to get a lot of whatever you want to call it, head fatigue, ear fatigue, whatever you want to call it. These should be very comfortable, and they're not heavy. They're very lightweight, so I'm digging them. I do like them, and we'll test it out. Let's hook it up. And again, these do extend, so you can get the best fit for whatever size head you have. I got a big head, so I'm just going to pull these out right now. But let's connect them, and we'll check them out. So if we go into settings and we go into Bluetooth, let's turn this on.
Power on.
It does say power on. We do have our little LED light here that is blinking. TriBit QuietPlus. Hit the button to connect. We're already connected. It does say we are connected. So I'm actually going to throw these in right away, and we're just going to start the testing. We're going to start with the sound test. So these are over-the-ear headphones, and with this style, you do get immersed into the sound, and it's already hard for me to even hear my voice with these just on my head. So the noise cancellation should work very well, and we'll try that out with some crowd noise, and we'll also try it out while listening to music to see how immersive we can get it. But let's start with the sound test, and we'll play some music, and we'll check out the sound quality. So sound quality on these things are good. And I think the one thing I would like is for them to be just a hair louder. They're loud, don't get me wrong. It's not like they're quiet. And the sound profile is even across the board. I think everything is just well balanced. Nothing stands out. Nothing is too much. There's just a nice balanced sound. Everything, the bass, the highs, the mids, it's all just kind of an even sound. And it sounds really good. It's crystal clear. I think for me, I like it when it's very loud and I can turn it down, right? I want to have extra volume if I need it, if I want to drown out other things, but it might not matter on here because of the noise cancellation. But the sound quality, the sound clarity is crystal clear. So I do like that. And it sounds good, again, even across the board. Bass, highs, mids, it's all even and crystal clear. But let's continue the testing. We'll do a mic test next. What up, guys? This is a mic test for the TriBit QuietPlus, a pair of true noise canceling headphones that don't break the bank. It's going to be a really good price, 96 bucks. And let me know how the mic sounds. Next test, we will check the latency, see if there's any delay between audio and video. So I'll go into YouTube and we'll play video. So no delay between audio and video. So next we are going to try out the noise cancellation, and this is your noise cancellation button here. If you turn it on, you can see the blue LED light, which represents that it is on. But what we're going to do, we're going to do two different things. We're going to play some music. I'm going to turn the noise cancellation on and see if it makes a difference. And then I'm going to play some background noise, some people talking. We'll try that. I'll turn it on and turn it off and see how big of a difference there is. Now, a quick note about this noise cancellation. It's a hybrid noise cancellation. So it's not going to be like the Bose or the Sonys with the noise cancellation that just shuts everything. It shuts the outside world off. You are going to still hear some of the outside noise around you, but it should make a significant difference. So we'll test it out. We'll try it with the music first. So I'll throw these back on. So now we'll turn it on. So listening to music, when I turn it on or off, there isn't much of a difference. So let's try out the crowd noise. We got 10 hours of people talking here. I'm not gonna listen to it for 10 hours, but we'll play it, we'll try it out. We'll play it. And we'll keep it right next to you. See how much of a difference that it does make. So the noise cancellation on these guys, don't expect it to be like Bose or Sony or any of the more premium headphones. This is not that. This is more of a hybrid type of noise cancellation. Think of yourself in a big room, a crowded room at a party, and you're hearing voices all around, and because you're in the middle of a room, it's a big open room, you hear that airy sound, right? Well, when you turn the noise cancellation on here, what it's going to do, it's going to take out that airy sound, and it's going to just cut out maybe half of the people talking, and you're still going to hear some people talking, but all that airiness and that background noise, it's gone. And it's different, it's unique. I haven't heard anything like it before, and I kind of like it. It's going to drown out a lot of that crap sound that you don't need to hear, that you don't want to hear. And again, it's a hybrid noise cancellation, but overall for the price, we can't expect to have the same noise cancellation that Sony and Bose have. And even the AirPods Pro, you're paying a premium for the AirPods Pro noise cancellation as well, and this is not them. All right, let's talk the touch controls now, the way touch controls work on here. Everything is controlled right here by your volume and your power button. So if we play some music, of course, your volume down and your volume up will control your volume, and your power button here controls everything else. So one tap on the power button, we'll pause it. One tap again, we'll play it. If you double tap, it's going to the next track. We'll do it one more time. And if you triple tap, it goes back to the previous track. And it works very well. It's instant. And then we'll pause it to stop. So the touch controls work very well, and it's all located in the same area, and it's instant. It's very smooth. So let's talk about the pros and the cons really quick. There are a lot more pros, of course, than cons. And the cons, I'm just picking. I got to pick at something, right? That's my job, to pick these apart. But let's talk about the pros first. The pros, sound clarity is very smooth, a very even sound all the way across the board, and it is crystal clear. The one con for me as far as sound goes, my personal preference when listening to audio, whether it's earbuds or headphones, I like it to be very loud, where I can bring it down to the perfect sound for me. And that's just me. I just wish these were a little bit louder. I'm not saying they're not loud. They are loud. I just want them to be a little overkill, and then I can bring them down to the perfect volume for my personal preference. So that's the one con for me as far as sound quality goes. Also, the noise cancellation. Now, these are a hybrid noise cancellation. I didn't expect them to be as good as the Bose or the Sonys, and I'm not paying that premium. And the hybrid type that's on here, it does drown out a lot of the outside noise. So for the price, the noise cancellation works very well. At least the amount of noise cancellation that you get works very well. So no cons there. It is what you think it is for a pair of $96 headphones. It does work, and you do get some noise cancellation. So it's pretty cool. Comfort. These are very comfortable. I gotta be honest. This foam top up here, I love it. I think they're really comfortable. As far as comfort goes, for me, it's a 10 out of 10. Touch controls work very well. It's all right here in one area, and we do get 3.5 millimeter audio jack. In case you still have a headphone jack on your phone, you can just plug it in and go about your day. And that's really cool. USB Type-C, that is a plus. The latency, I didn't find any delay between audio and video. So all good things, right? It's a solid pair of noise canceling headphones at a really good price, $96. I'll drop the link below. And if you want to enter a chance to win the giveaway, all you gotta do is check the description below, and it will be running through Gleam again. And there's a bunch of ways, a bunch of different ways you can get multiple entries for the giveaway. The giveaway is gonna run a few weeks, but there will be a winner at the end, and I will send you this pair right here. So we'll start off the new year with a bang. Somebody's gonna get a brand new pair of TriBit noise canceling headphones. So really cool, a good product for a fair price for what you get. And that's it, guys. That's it for the video. We'll be back soon with more. I hope everybody has a safe and fun New Year's. I'll be back with more videos really soon, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back soon. Peace.